Good morning, students. What is the name of our country? Yes, you are correct. Our country name is India. Now we are discussing about our country India. Now we are discuss about these headings: location and extent, physical boundaries of India, physical divisions of India, physical regions of India. Now we are discussing about these topics. First, we are discuss about location and extent. India has variety of landforms. What is the meaning of landforms? In Tamil, Nilaparapugal. What are they? They are mountains, plateaus, plains, forests, deserts and islands. These are the landforms. Mountains, a long steep hills. In Tamil we can say Malai. Plateaus, uplands. In Tamil we can say Peedabhumi. Plains means grasslands. So நாமெல்லாம் இருக்கிறது இந்த grasslands தான். So சமவெளி அப்படி தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க. Forest, a large trees, a large area covered with trees, that is called காடு. Deserts, deserts are extremely dry land, maybe very hot and very cold. In Tamil we can say Palaivanam. Islands, a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides, that is called island. In Tamil we can say Deevu. So these are the landforms of India. Where is India located? India is located in the continent of Asia. It is the 7th largest country in the world. After China, India has the second largest population in the world. Population means Makkal Togai. Next, extent. So India measures 3,200 kilometers from north to south. 3,200 kilometers from north to south. 2,900 kilometers from east to west. 2,900 kilometers from west to east. India has a coastline. India has a coastline. Coastline means Kadalora Pagudi. So it has measured 7,500 kilometers long. Next, physical boundaries of India. So Himalayas in the north. Himalayas in the north. In south, Indian Ocean. In south, Indian Ocean. In east, Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. In west, Arabian Sea. I repeat again, students. Himalayas in the north, Indian Ocean in the south, Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west. So these are the boundaries in our country. Now we are discussing about physical divisions of India. So India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. Which is the capital of India? Yes, you are right. So New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is called the National Capital Territory of India. So the central government runs the whole country from New Delhi. The President, Vice President, Ministers and officers are the members of the central government. Who is the head of the country? The president is the head of the country. Each state is managed by the state government. So state government means governor, chief minister, ministers and officers are the members of the state government. Who is the head of the state? Governor is the head of the state. Next, union territories. There are 7 union territories in our country. Andaman Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Havali, Daman Diu, Lakshadweep, National Capital Territory of Delhi and Puducherry. The union territories are run by the central government. Central government. So union territories are managed by the central government. Rajasthan is the largest state in our country. Smallest state is Goa is the smallest state in India. Least populated state is Sikkim. Most populated state is Uttar Pradesh. And new states are Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand and Telangana are the new states in our country. More than 1 billion people live in India. They speak different languages and belong to different cultures and faith. It is a country with unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means வேற்றுமையில் ஒற்றுமை. நம்ம ஏன் அப்படி சொல்றோம்னா different languages and different cultures எல்லாம் நம்ம நாட்டில் இருக்கிறோம். ஏன் அப்படின்னா நம்ம எல்லாம் எப்போ ஒன்றா சேர்றோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா we are all Indians and Indians சொல்லும் போதே we have to say proud. So this is called unity in diversity. Learn more detail about these physical regions in next upcoming lessons. Refer your PDF lessons and prepare well students. Thank you.